Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you 4 manipulation anime worth watching. In these anime, you are going to see manipulation, persuasion, and influence. Let's get on with the video. Number 4. Tomodachi Game. The main protagonist of this anime is Yuichi Katagiri. The reason I chose this anime to begin with is because this one is the closest to real life, and clearly shows you that to manipulate, you don't necessarily need good grades at school or anything like that. The only thing you need is a sharp and cunning mind that is going to do whatever it takes to win. In this anime, you are mainly going to see through people's lies and how they betray each other. Number 3. Monster. The main protagonist here is Johann Liebert, and like the title says, he's an absolute monster. The guy has a calm composure and kills and manipulates others like flies. This anime will help you grow and learn how to keep a calm composure and be charismatic like Johann. Although in this anime, we don't get that much explanation of his manipulation tactics from the roots. What matters is that we adapt his chill personality and charisma. Number 2. Death Note. This one is my favorite of them all. In this anime, we are going to see Light Yagami destroy his enemies. This anime is pure tactics and manipulation and is really good and helpful to watch. Not only do we get to see them in action, we can also hear what Light Yagami says on his mind. Unlike Monster, in Death Note, we are shown what Light Yagami does to manipulate his enemies. Number 1, and the best one, is none other than the classroom of the elite. The main character of this anime is Kiyotaka Ayanokoji. He's basically a genius. If anyone is better at playing others and using them as tools, is him. Ayanokoji is like Johann Liebert, but a better version. Just like Johann, Ayanokoji doesn't like to be in the spotlight, but the difference between them is that Johann has charisma, and looks on the other hand, Ayanokoji tries to downplay his traits in order to get the best out of everyone, to use them as tools. All these animes are good in my opinion, and is better to learn from them and create your own character. Learning from their traits will help you become the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a subscribe.